Is your Tabby account blocked and you don't know how to unlock it? I've got you covered. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unlock your Tabby account quickly and get back to using it without hassle. Step 1. Open the Tabby app and try to log in. If your account is blocked, you will see a notification or error message. Step 2. Tap on the Help or Contact Support option within the app. Step 3. Use the live chat or support form to explain your issue. Be sure to mention that your account is blocked and ask for the unlocking process. Step 4. Follow any identity verification steps requested by Tabby, such as uploading a photo ID or confirming your phone number. Step 5. Wait for confirmation from Tabby support that your account has been unlocked. This can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending. Step 6. Once unlocked, log in again and check that all features are working properly. Tip: to avoid future blocks, always keep your app updated and make sure your account information is accurate. If you found this guide useful, drop a comment, like, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.